What's going on, everyone? Nick here, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to find products. Now, me personally, I've only ever sold two main products, um, and those two products have made me well over six figures each. And based on those, like, I kind of build off of those products. So I pretty much run advertisements for one specific product and build ads off of that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I found those products, and something cool is going to be coming. So stay tuned for that. If you're new here, just drop a subscribe, drop a like. There'll be a lot of good information in this video. So, all right. So I usually start off just All right, so I usually just start off just simply scrolling through Instagram. Um, Now on the computer, I can't. It doesn't show ads, which is weird. But just simply scroll through your feed. You will see sponsored posts from different companies running ads, and see what's working. See if they're getting comments. If like people are tagging their friends and saying how cool this product is, blah blah blah. Look at that, and that's the main resource, is simply just looking to see what's working, seeing if I can sell it. But just to make things clear, like, I'm not drop shipping. I don't find products on Alibaba and AliExpress and sell them on a Shopify store. I make my own products. I look for products that I know I can make and manufacture myself, and ship them out personally. So uh, the next video that I post will be the pros and cons of drop shipping versus what I do, it's like self manufacturing. I'm not sure what it's called, um, but it's in short, it's just a lot less competition. Everyone's drop shipping. Everyone's finding that hot product. Everyone's pushing those products just everywhere. But what I do is I look for things that are handmade, and only literally one or two other people are selling these products, and I figure out how to make it and sell it for cheaper, because every single product that I make is pennies. It costs pennies to make. So I do want to show you all my. I was just scrolling through, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to. I found a product, and I'm going to show step by step what I'm going to do for that. I'll show the exact product, the exact ads I run, and show the progress from that specific product. And let's get into that product now. So we'll get back into how to find more ways to sell products, but let me just show you the product first. So I was scrolling through my Instagram, and I found this product from this company, Wanderer Bracelets. I found their exact same ad. It's this right here. It's a little dinky little bracelet. Let's find a better picture. Um, let's see. This one. So it's bracelets that are engraved, and it's like you get two people's initials on it. So it's like who's crossed your path, or so something like that. I don't know. And it once as soon as because like the ad I saw, let me see if I can pull it up. The ad I saw um, was had very good comments, and people were digging it. So let's see this ad right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has some pretty good comments on it, and this is exactly in my niche for my store. I'm not going to give away my store because I have some other products on there, but I will show how I'm going to take this product up to $1,000 a day. That's my goal for this product, is $1,000 a day, and we'll see how long it takes. I'm going to show the ads I run, the target audience I run, everything, the pictures. Now, yesterday I actually figured out how to make it. I spent a couple hours testing the product, and it's so simple. It came out amazing. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos. It's going to be good. Now, so that's the first way. That's pretty much the main way I find products. I scroll through my feed and just look for what I can make. But if most people are drop shipping, so a website that I found for drop shipping. Okay, so a website. So since most of you guys are drop shipping, this is a website that is amazing for that. It's called Pexda, PEXDA.com. This website shows like up and coming hot products that are generating sales. They're generating sales, but it's not like crazy saturated. So let's see products, and so you can sign up for like a monthly subscription, and you get special products, or you can also well, let's just click on the first one, untapped winning product. And you can see how many orders it has. You can see what people are selling it at, the product cost for it, the margins, everything. And then if you do sign up for like a monthly subscription or whatever, it's like $20 a month. Then it links you to suppliers. It links you to Facebook ads that people are running, so you can see the interest that people are running. You can see their what's it called? You can see like their pictures, their description, all of that, everything. You can go to the Shopify store, see the pictures they use for like product pictures and descriptions and everything. So this is a very, very, very cool website. You can do it by your niches, such as like cats and dogs. So yeah, so you can pretty much choose any niche you want. It's all on this sidebar, and that's pretty much it. The two main ways that I find products are simply just scrolling through Instagram, looking at sponsored posts and saving them, and Pexda. If I ever want to look into drop shipping, or I'm sure I know a lot of you guys drop ship, then Pexda is a great resource. Check them out. And also, if you guys have any questions at all, just shoot me a DM on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll answer as best as I can, as much detail as I possibly can. And so that product that we're going to be selling and try to get up to $1,000 a day, I'm going to be starting that tonight or tomorrow. So the next video will be day one of that. And just for like credibility or reference, whatever, yesterday I did about almost $1,600. It was close to $1,000 profit. And last month I did, let's see. It's not on my phone because it's this month. But last month I did about $40,000 in sales. So, and that's just running just very simple ads, just letting them run. I'm not putting time into ads anymore, because once you get one ad running, then it's just as simple as letting it run and fulfilling the orders and whatnot. But yep, as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, comment below, DM me on Instagram. I'll answer the best I can. Subscribe for more. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.